Kwine.
Senator.
Ono no de ma contract ene ye.
Senator.
Enti dem ma na yegina ye twa we di ache.
Senator Papa.
Ha ye omu men.
Abuja from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana and Nsem TV so. But omo de so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na edwum say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin Chankra, Mommy Enko, the Enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President and here. Women commerce is here.
Kwine.
Senator.
Ono no de ma contract ene ye.
Senator.
Enti dem ma na yegina ye twa we di ache.
Senator Papa.
Ha ye omu men runabout.
Senator.
Abuja for contract and ye kwan be sin na ye video we portable back kura ma kwan no.
Senator Papa.
And we legacy na mampani akufo ado wo ye na hanom na. Ye pese aban bi obeba Ghana konwa so no wo ye bi.
Senator.
Se wo ye kwan am ye nya ne yie.
Senator.
School na wusi am ye nsi ne yie.
Senator Papa.
Hospital na wusi am ye nsi ne yie na chena ye bebo odin di aka ho asem.
Senator Papa. Ti se bi dia e boni di.
Good. And it's legacy project akufo ado ye no. Ba ko ne abehu aye kan. Mi do nyankopon se kwan na fe yie. Akondin wom. From here, there, Maha, for Bechem, for Techimentia, a Chumukosia, Quada Franco. Now, I did about Kwame Pessa, I buy some opinion for the buy and Wayabi. Fantastic. Now, Yanya Chum, we are to Mapa, Yabaka, and now Yana Bonnie, so I can wait in a year. And into Babia Kufa will be a some opinion of Poishano. Contract and the power man, contract and national and Yanim contract and contract and Poishano. Why, yeah, to my party, Miss Srak. Obi pia mampanyi John Dramani mama de kwan amano wanya kwan ntem na wanya kwan ni ye said be adache mampanyi John mama tinchen a ye be boni din abodi mpa fa ye kwan fa pa contract na ya de o man ni monyama ye na na mampanyi dia.
The policy there, I'll go and bring it. They said as part of the Nkukon Kitinkiti, they want to stimulate local consumption of the poultry. So if you've given thousands of people and maybe 5 people have sent you videos that we are chewing them, it's normal.
You are the one explaining. See, we have a 600 million problem in poultry importation. This government has so far put 245 million cedis towards solving it. And because of the bad money, I let you talk. I beg
Ghana.
Okay. Huh?
The 600 million.
I said we had a. I beg. See, in solving that problem, you did in Nkukon Kitinkiti. You took government money and bought the old chicks, spread it, sprinkled it all over the place to solve the chicken and poultry importation problem. And now you are telling us that people have spent the money. A few people. So as we speak, you are solving the poultry problem.
Absolutely.
We will see in 2 years.
It's in phases. We
will see in 2 years.
Exactly. So wait, but it's
I'm for waiting.
You know me. I'm not here to.
All right,
nyina yetua ne taku sempoa obi akari koko be bag du wakwa ne yama ne 5 million satam 31 million so nka 300 and something million ai wakwa ne yama ne 5 million no de abeto nchene di no asan afafom ko no akwaji 2 million no de abeto ayi kobi sa ya shisika no Ghana ni sei na Ghana ni pe emma Ghana ni me se Ghana ni hu to no wonwene hwe na so ne bere nyina wode ma yese nsemhunu tie ene yese asa wonwene bibia biem na koko ekurani akwaji ni sika otuko no kan yese ka mu ensi dan ensi hwe eno asa da obema ne de atua ne ba fees no na akwaji abeto dem na da ho uwi a waka chensa wahwe ne ba wonte ne ye wo kanase otom wonte ase first year student ya na esi ebetuo mo kai Dwa mama ba otua sika wo ya yede Ghana ni enim sa nyansa no onuru ho enti eye waste of money ontua because oya Ghana ni nkan Ghana ni won kaya kamu ni opposition o kofo ba ye cancellation of basic school fees mampani kof enkwada na ye de omo dom ye adwuma din aburo ma ho odin so kofo na be stop we nyina ekosi sai ya yere no ma na kwa wo so fa ye kete kokwa ekosi sai free health insurance free maternal health care ekosi sai kokwa akuafo na kofo nwu omumfuo tukwa nyasi akomo omaduro wa fe nipa a ebegu afuo no so kwa yasa to abatu no Ghana ni adwene mienuru kwan na Ghana ni ya Americani na wa hihye da che de ama no gina ne konso bunukom mia no eno ano no wawie
edemano unya Kamila Al-Hassan ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya woni akora bi de ba yi o de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ K unim se atintenhu ta woto na uhwiri treasure unim se atintenhu eta woto na uhwiri treasure onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ K onzo obi anka bi ma sa na wiase ne tie so obi asamba fa we afutuo obi asamba susuka na wonnim de da wanim obi asamba susuka na me me srema wo se ebi mu be defend no wo be defend DJ K sasai enim guase we ya wagu ne ho DJ K nya ni pa asem wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ K no minim de ntia me se me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me say baby I won't ankasa baby I issue no ka fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi nka yentimi enka no say de nka ese ye ka no ene wu nti Kamila Al-Hassan ocha krom ha chese DJ K na wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye unim nyanza se ne hwan wo krom a on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me a me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu ya na ho yesere ya na video ni ehwe ni say ya ene de ho na ho hye wo no ene wo na ho hye wo no me say Kamila Al-Hassan baby owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de be abonten endra me ye video ba akoma na no ne part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJ K misise wa we awe nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na ho kwa ene wiase no ensa emmeka wono yenkoka no ano a emmeka wono yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na okra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa nya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa sako hwe no sako shi tatatata nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what pad sanya wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo into about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Ojene da no. Si mu de bia ye ka ho asem. Oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana fa se me ba we na me ye ma mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem fata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi Enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yen because of time. But those ones Yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi say oh, I mean say we say people for ya comfort. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals, ma mo so mo ya comfort. A comfort ma facilitate me on be fund free seniors so mo ya comfort. You say anya Ghana for debut. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women omo nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 Jua, then you will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most people konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Na na yete ne nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu wache dem. Me na wo ne wo sia che me se bi me na me ko ka che Ibrahim Dramani ma so o mema was come to butu wa. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi. Digitalization en to kinki, ntimo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. E dey Ibrahim Dramani mama ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo dey oh na mo dey onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne be to ba na ma bum mo to ba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kra de menu now to me hu letter bi a Yokofo chro ye eba Council of State member voter region. Na me se fiam hey Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.